Now let's go ahead and talk about these ice blue lights. It's not a white, it's not a blue, it's that in-between ice blue with the red brake light available in there as well too. Really cool, unique feature. It is inside of a translucent white kind of casing that's underneath there that holds the battery pack and the ESC inside there as well too, and it actually bleeds up through into the rear for the kicktail, and the front trucks also have the LED light inside of it as well too, with again this clear plastic, like basically makes it bleed around the deck. Really cool, really unique. I mean, definitely a nice vibe, especially if you are a night rider, and you can see it throughout the day as well too. Not nearly as bright though, but it's definitely a nice feature that if you are someone that rides around the city at night, wants to be able to be seen from cars or people, whatever may be around you, it's definitely a nice touch in my opinion. And, you know, who doesn't love lights at night?